American instructional films, teaching America's youth since 1938.
Boy, do I love blocks.
You know, Timmy, you and I are made of blocks.
Who are you? And how'd you get in my house?
Well, I'm John Dalton, and in 1808 I developed the atomic theory.
Well, hi, Mr. Dalton. But what do you mean about us being made up of blocks?
No, Timmy. What I meant by that, all things are made up of matter, and matter is made up of atoms, and atoms are the building blocks of matter.
Well, wow! I want to learn more about atoms.
Well, then come with me to my shrinking machine.
Okay. That's not a shrinking machine. That's a candle.
Oh, well, it is very well a shrinking machine. You just have to touch it as soon as the candle's lit.
Then when are you gonna light it?
Just touch it.
Where are we?
Well, welcome to Atomland.
We're in Atomland.
Atomland, the 14,000th happiest place on Earth.
Gee willikers! Hey, what's that?
Well, that, Timmy, is a roaming hydrogen atom. Let's take a closer look.
Wait, mister. What exactly is an atom?
An atom is a very, very, very small particle that all things are made of.
Wait, is it the smallest particle?
Well, not exactly. Atoms are made up of even smaller particles. But as you can see, atoms are mostly empty space. But in the middle, you have the nucleus.
Wait a second. Where is the nucleus?
In the nucleus, Timmy, we have the protons and the neutrons. The protons have a positive charge, while the neutrons have a neutral charge.
Like Switzerland!
Ha ha ha, very good, Timmy.
But if the protons are positive and the neutrons are neutral, what holds them together?
Well, son, a thing called nuclear forces do. Basically, think of the protons and neutrons as friends, and they want to stick together.
Okay, thanks for clarifying.
You're welcome, chap.
But don't think you're done just yet. I'm gonna learn about electrons. Yeah! That'd be so cool, but yeah! Carrot time.
Ha ha ha. And that's where I come in. I'm J.J. Thompson, and I helped discover the electron.
Why are you wearing a boonie hat and gloves? And why are you holding our candle?
Indeed, chap. I was wondering the same thing also.
Hats, gloves, candle?
Huh?
Hi, JJ. How have you been?
Dalton, how are you, my friend?
Good. Atomic theory.
Electrons,
Atoms!
That was wicked! Yeah!
Hello, friend Timmy here. A little bit about the electron.
Alright, Timmy. The electron is a negatively charged particle that circles the nucleus. Now, keep in mind, inside the nucleus was the proton. The proton was positive, and the electron is negative. So these two balance each other out to have the atom remain at a neutral state. Here we have the nucleus, which is in the middle of the atom. Now, the electrons circle the outside, like so, but much, much farther away. So, if the nucleus was here, the electrons would be way out here! Well, Timmy, I discovered it through a little invention known as the cathode ray tube.
Wow! Now that I've learned so much about electrons, I'm electrified with knowledge. Chicka, chicka, yeah. Chicka, yeah.
Now that I've explained to you about electrons, my work here is done. It's time for me to go. Tally-ho.
Bye! Goodbye,
Bye!
Jack! Goodbye,
See you later!
One more time!
Toodles!
One more! Goodbye! Well, now you know all about atoms.
Yeah, I do. But how do we get out of atom land?
You have to do the electron slide and then clap.
Okay.
Whoa. This place is kind of scary when there's nobody here.
Hey, is that Blue's Clues?
For this activity, you will need toothpicks, grapes, and a little bit of imagination. First, you take 3 grapes. Then, you break one of the toothpicks in half. And then poke 2 of the grapes with the toothpick. This will form your nucleus. Take the 3rd grape and put it somewhere farther away. This perfectly represents a hydrogen atom. 1 proton, 1 neutron, and 1 electron. You may play with the electron if you like.
I'd love to play with the electron!
Okay, guys, any questions?